Winter might not bring snow, but it can still bring unexpected challenges and lead to roof repairs for your Sugar Land, Texas roof. From sudden leaks to storm damage, emergencies can happen when you least expect them. So, what should you do if your roof needs urgent attention this winter? Let's break it down. First things first, act fast. A small leak can quickly turn into a big problem if left unchecked. Cover the damaged area with a tarp to keep water out, but remember, this is just a temporary fix. And if you aren't comfortable doing it yourself, you can call a pro for emergency tarping. Either way, you'll then want to call a licensed professional to handle the repairs correctly. And speaking of safety, please don't climb up on a slippery roof yourself. It's just not worth the risk. Instead, secure the area around your home and let the experts handle the rest. Now let's talk about costs. Emergency roof repairs can vary depending on the damage, but addressing the issue right away can actually save you money in the long run. Plus, a good contractor will provide a precise estimate and help you navigate insurance claims if needed. Finally, choosing the right contractor is key. Look for roofers in the greater Houston area with experience in emergency repairs, proper licensing, and a reputation you can trust. At Houston Roofing and Construction, we're here to help you handle any roofing emergency with fast, reliable service. So if winter throws a curveball at your roof, don't stress. Just contact us to learn more. We've got you covered.